Money management tips. All traders should learn and implement money management rules in every trade they open, whether scalpers, swing traders, or day traders. The following tips will help you manage your money. It is important for traders never to invest more money than they can afford. Keep track of your stop loss and take profit orders at all times. Close the trade once the target profit has been reached. Enjoy your profits and don't overstep. Traders who are new to trading should not trade more than 50 to 2% to their trading capital at one time. You must accept the risks associated with trading. Nobody likes to lose money, but traders have to accept it as a part of the process. Lesson synopsis. Traders who want to invest in the stock market shouldn't take the risk of more than 2% of their total account balance for each trade. Fixed fractional methods require you to purchase stocks for a specific amount before you can begin investing. Intraday trading is an excellent method of making fast profits as long as you invest in the right stocks. The size of your trades should be proportional to your equity. It is important for traders never to invest more money than they can afford